Hello, everybody. Good afternoon. At least in Chicago, it is a cool morning. I am very excited to be able to show you kind of another video on this impulse scanner that is really, really helping a lot of people identify trades. So before we get started, I want to make sure that I cover everything. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you don't like it, give me a thumbs down. If you got any questions, see below. If you want to reach me for access with more information on this impulse scanner, please reach me. Facebook, TikTok, you can find me, not very difficult. I've been making money online for 24 years and a trader for the past 6 years. And this is a tool that's very, very exciting that has had an amazing number of logins and scans over 18 months now. And we're having a lot of success with our members. So I'm going to plug you into this training that our team leader did, and then we'll talk right after. Okay, hang tight.
Hey folks, I had to create this video. I didn't even plan on doing it. I'm here this morning just getting some work done. I slept in because it's a Friday. There's a lot of news, so I wasn't going to trade, and I didn't trade. But I was going through the impulse tool and just looking at the pairs from this morning, and oh my gosh, I mean, I can see why this is the most popular tool on the planet right now for trading, especially for newbies that like a super objective strategy, right? And they've got two of them with this. All right, so we're just going to go through some of these pairs on the side. You can see I've got some started. We could do some more. I'm just going to start at the top, right, and work down through these. So the reason why these are at the top is because their strength, right? There's a strength meter. They're trending very strongly, right? So as a newbie, that's super good to know, right? Because a lot of people, first off, they don't know what to trade a lot of the times, what pairs, and they don't know what direction. So here we go, right? We got this little guy right here. This is the what's if you, I'm gonna just draw a circle around this thing, right? This indicator right here, man, is taking the world by storm right now, and you're gonna see why here in a moment, right? So look at this thing. So this thing tells you what direction it thinks it's gonna go, right? And then look what happens after that prints. And it prints after the third candle. So like right around this candle here, once it's confirmed, it'll go back and print that right there. So you come to the screen, right? And you know this thing's going down. And then your entry model is get in on a pullback, right? So you've got a little pullback here. And then when the candle closes in that direction, you get in and look at that move and look at all these little pullbacks that you could have got in on, right? If you missed that one, right? You know this thing's is trending down, so you can jump on these. I mean, look at all these little areas, these little pullbacks that you could have been a part of, right? And as a newbie, this is awesome. You come here and you know, okay, I am not looking for buys, so you don't get faked out on any buys. Okay, and they have another entry too, which is a color entry. So let's say you don't feel comfortable drawing trends, or you just feel better matching colors, right? They have this color-coded entry right here. So you see this hits the red, right? This is below the red, red above the blue, right? This red is above everything, right? So it's red, 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 red. That means sell on a red candle, right? You line up the colors, and boom, you're in for this move right here, right? I mean, it's so dead, like objective wise. It's just like the most objective thing that I've ever seen. Let's go to the next one. I'm just going to stop blasting through these. Right, here it is. It says, hey, look, I think the sucker's going down. It indeed does. Right? You got a little teeny little trend here, little pullback. I like to usually get a little bit deeper ones. Right, you get another one here. Right? It's crazy. Let's keep looking. Pound R. Same thing. Right? Actually, a couple that you could have grabbed. Oop. Oh, come on, Mike. All right, there's little entries. You get the idea there. And this one's a buy. Now, this one hasn't really gone. Well, it did, yeah. There was one here. Never mind. I take that back. This says we're going up. You get a pullback, entry, boom. And these don't work all the time. Like here's one that's not doing really anything. It says it's going up, and it went up a little bit, but just been going sideways, right? These don't hit 100% of the time. There's nothing out there that's going to predict 100% of the time, right? But it does it enough that it's making people very, very happy, right? Let's look at this one here. I mean, look at this beautiful, right? So, right, there's another entry there, right? Another entry there, another entry here. If you use the trend line, right? If you want to match colors, still multiple entries, right? You got right here in the blue, over the blue, red over the blue, right? When you're going up, it's matching blue. When it's going down, it's matching red, right? You got a blue candle, you're there, right? Over here, blue over the red, over the blue, in the blue, in the blue, right? Blue candle, and you got that, right? I don't know. Have you seen anything more objective than this? Let's see. These things are just moving around on me, so I don't know which. These got calculated live, guys. You can see they're shuffling around based on strength, right? The strengths are being calculated moment to moment to moment, right? So you don't want to be any weak ones. Like if you scroll down here, you got a strength of 2. You don't want to be trading that because it's not doing anything. Let's take a look at this USD CAD. All right, look at this beautiful one this morning. Holy cow! I should have been trading. I should have been trading. All right, here's the signal. It went up. You get your pullback here. There's an entry. All right, you got to pull back there. There's another one. All right, pull back here. There's another one. Pull back here. There's another one. All right, or would you rather do colors? All right, would you rather match colors? Blue over red, over blue, in the blue, in the blue. All right, blue. Let's see over here. Blue over red, over blue, in the blue, in the blue, blue candle. I mean, I don't know. I don't know. I'm pretty sure we could teach a 10-year-old this. Pretty sure. Pretty sure. I'll look at like one more, so I don't want this video to go on forever. I like to find one that has lost. That's what I'm looking for. Just to show you. I mean, I showed you one already that didn't work out, so you know it's. Don't want you to think that you're going to come in here and win 100%. This one was pretty sloppy, but would have got you a move. Oh, look at this beautiful one. Pound yen. This is the last one I'm going to do because I think you get the point. Right? Got it right here. Got nice pullback entry there. Nice pullback entry there. And another one there. Another one here. Right? Or do you like colors? Right? Let's grab the horizontal, I mean the vertical. In the red, in or below the red, below this red, red above the blue, boom. Right? Right here, red above the blue, above red, in red, red candle, boom. Right? Red, 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 red. Right? And then even over here for this last little move down here, red, 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 boom. Right? I mean, either way you want to do it, either by trend line or by just matching colors. I don't know, guys. Like, if you're not checking this out, I don't know what to tell you. All right? There's a 7-day money-back guarantee. Right? You can come and play with this tool for 7 days, no risk. And if at the end of the week you don't think it's for you, go find something else, right? And this is backed by education, right? You're going to have we teach and train on this. And when I say we, there's the educators that created this thing, right? The people that created it, 5 days a week, 3 times a day, they get into the live market, analyze it using this tool, look for opportunities, show you how to look for opportunities, and show you how to use this tool inside and out. Right? 5 days a week, 3 times a day, every single week, every single month. Right? So you've got the support along with the community. So if you want more info, get back to me ASAP because trust me, you don't want to miss out on this thing. Talk to you soon.
All right. Do you think you can learn it? I'm pretty sure. If you can, reach me. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Have a great day, everybody.